and then you're going to choose the speed here for withdrawal. So this is where you have to really consider the fees here with Bitcoin. If you want to make this a priority, it's going to be a $3.24 fee, which on $10 is crazy. A rush, which is going to be a $1.70 fee, is going to take about 2 hours, and the standard, which arrives in roughly 24 hours, is going to be free. So depending on how quickly you need to get it there, you can choose these options. I'm just going to choose standard because it doesn't matter, although at that point it does show you the withdrawal minimum here is 0.001 Bitcoin. So in that case, we'll just leave it as the priority for the demo. Click on next, and then we are going to confirm the withdrawal to external wallet. If everything looks good here, you're going to click on the confirm and send button, and now you have to enter your cash pin that you set earlier. And just like that, we initiated the withdrawal here over to my Coinbase wallet address. So I will keep an eye on that, and we'll check back later to see if that withdrawal actually works.